Let's watch this video about how to order products from China to Nigeria easily.
Sounds great.
In this video, I am going to teach you how to import any item at all from China. If you want to be importing clothes, you want to be importing phones, guess what? All these small children tablets that they say 90,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 40,000 naira, 150,000, 200,000, depending on the, apartment of the tablets. Most of those tablets are sold for 30,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 15,000 naira in China. That's why you see your vendors, you see many people online selling phone, showcasing phone. So you can actually be buying phone from China, all those children tablets, and be selling it in Nigeria. Guess what? This pack 50, this pack waiting that they are selling 150, 120, 100,000 in Nigeria. They're sold for 30,000, 35,000 in China. You can actually be importing all those items and be selling in this country. Now, if you don't want to do anything about phone, you don't want to stress yourself about electronics, you can also be buying all these home appliances, all these electric iron, electric fan, solar fan, all those things. Now, if you don't want to do any of those ones, you can be buying clothes. You can be buying clothes like this clothes I'm putting on. I got it from China. You all know that I buy things for China. I buy things from China every time. So I want to teach you guys. Many of you have been coming to my DM to tell me, please let me pay for you to do it. This thing that I want to teach you now, your other coaches, they will charge you 300,000, 500,000 to teach you how to import from China. But now I am going to teach you this thing just for free. The only thing you do for me is to share this video. You must be buying something from China. And guess what? You can buy one item or two items from China. If you don't want to be selling clothes, you can go for footwears. Most of all these footwears you buy in Nigeria, 15,000, 20,000, 300,000, depending on the aqua of the footwears. Most of these footwears are being sold for as low as 300 naira in China. Most of them are being sold for 150 naira. Most of them are being sold for 100 naira. I have some zippers here that they are selling 15,000 naira in this country that I bought 600 naira, 300 naira in China. And guess what? To import them, like shipping fee to Nigeria is not even up to 2,000 naira. So you can be buying from China and shipping to Nigeria and be selling in this place. If you don't want to go into clothes, shoes, all those things, home appliances or electronics, phone, all those things, you can actually go for bags. You can be buying bags and be selling in Nigeria. Most of the bags they sell 20,000, 30,000 for you in this country. You see most of my bags now, it's being sold 50-something thousand naira in this country. But guess what? In China, it's not even up to 5,000 naira. So I am going to teach you everything you need to know about China importation in this video. But share this video. See as they shout, share this video. If I post this video, 30 minutes, I don't see more than 200 shares, I will delete it. If I post this video, after 30 minutes, and I don't see more than 200 shares, in fact, after 1 hour and I'm not seeing 1K shares, I will pull down this video. I will pull it down and be collecting money. Yes, because some people come to me on my WhatsApp to say, please teach me, I will pay. And I charge money to teach people. Now I want to teach you guys for free. The only thing you do for me is what? Share this video. If you know how to download video. This one now, Exponado do for una now. Download this video and put it in your phone. If you know how to put in favorite, put this video in your favorite now. This video will help you a lot. You know how much I paid for someone to teach me this? I paid a huge amount of money. This thing now, which I won't do for una for free. Share this video. So to import from China, you need these 3 apps. 1688, that is number 1. Number 2, Mumata. Number 3, Sky Cargo. Download these 3 apps. Go to your Apple Store or your Play Store. Download these 3 apps. Then after downloading these 3 apps, you have to log in on your Wumata and your Sky Cargo. Now let me show you how to log in. Click on your Wumata. It's open like this. When you open like this, because you never used this app before, go down, you go see where they write sign up. Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you put your email address here. When you put your email address, you click on get code. They will send the code to your email address. You input it in this second place. That code where they go send for your email, put them for this place. Then you put your phone number here. After that, you put your password. Put the password that you know, like set new password, the password that you're using to log in. Put it. The password must be either 8 digits or 16 digits. Then you put the password again. The same password where you put for the first one, now you go put for the second one. Then this place where they say, how did you find us? You just click it and you say, friend referred us. You tap on friend referred us. You see this place where they say referral ID, just leave that place. Then you click on sign up. You'll be signed up. Now let me show you how to open to sign up for your Sky Cargo. Open Sky Cargo. You'll see something like this. Click on sign up. Remember, you never used this app before, so you click on sign up. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, you select Ghana. Anywhere where you're there, you select them. Then you click on next. When you click on next, you put your phone number. That phone number where you put on Bumata, that is the same number that you put here. This place now, that's the same number you put here. Then you click on next. Then you sign up. Now that you have finished signing up, the next thing is what? To fund your Bumata, to add money to your Bumata, because now your Bumata, now you go use the pay. So you open your Bumata. Then when you open it, it will look like this. Then you go to this account. Then you see recharge. You click on recharge. Then when you click on recharge, click on recharge by bank transfer, instant arrival. That place where they write instant arrival, now you go click. You click on. Then you put the amount where you want recharge. Let me say now 1,000 I want recharge. You click 1,000. You see this place where they say, please read and confirm recharge term. You tick it. You go down. You allow this thing to finish. Now you click agree. Then you click recharge. Then this is the account number. This account number, now you copy it. You copy this account number. You go to your OPay and send all your, any bank that you are using. Copy this account number. The name of the bank is Providuce Bank. Account name, Rumata eShop Limited. Abi Limited, whatever. You must send 1,100 naira. If you send 1,090 naira, your money will lose. They will not receive it. If you send 1,050 naira, they will not receive it. If you send 1,110 naira, they will not receive it. If you send 1,200, they will not receive it. Make sure it is the amount that they write here that you will send. Now let's go to OPay and make our payments. And I've opened my OPay and I want to pay. So I will test that account number now. You see as it come out, Providuce Bank, I will click it. Rumata eShop Limited, I will click next. I will send the 1,100 naira. So I've sent the 1,100 naira to them now. Look at it. I've sent 1,100 naira to them. Then I'll go back to the app. Remember, it's only once that you can use this account. Look at it. The account above can only be used for once. Do not save it for later. Anytime that you want to fund the account, you go and repeat this thing. This account number is only one-time account number. It's only this 1,100 naira that I can send to this account and it will work. Next time that you want to send money, please go and start afresh. Start afresh so that they will bring a new account number for you to pay. This account number can only be used once. As I don't pay money into this account now, this account number have expired. So now we have 10 minutes for the money to reach my account, for the money to be funded into my account. And we already spent 2 minutes, so 8 minutes is remaining. So you go and come back after 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the money might have been added to your account. Now you see the money have been added to my account. My money in my account now is 3,000 because I have 2,000 naira before. The money now is 3,000. So what we'll do now is what? We'll start ordering clothes. Now for you to order anything, go to 1688. You tap on 1688, it will open like this. If it is shoe that you want to buy, you go here, you search shoe. You search shoe, it will come out. Pictures of shoes will come out. Then these are different shoes, okay? These are different shoes. Pictures of different shoes will come out. These are different shoes that they have. Let me say it is this, which one are we going to buy now? Which one? Let me say it's this one now that you want to buy. You open it. Remember, this 1688 is China that they're speaking of. So what you do now is what? You copy the link. Because you cannot understand this China now. You copy the link. You copy the link. As I tap and hold this place now, I've copied the link. Now you go to your WhatsApp. You go to your WhatsApp, tap and hold, you press the link, then you send. As you send it, it will come out like this. Then you click on the link, you click on this place. When you click it, it will take you to your browser. Either your Google or whatever thing you are using to browse, whichever app you are using to browse in your phone, it will take you there. Now this is called sorting. We are trying to check. We are trying to check whether, to see this thing. This China where they write now, we want to see it in English so that we can read it and understand what they are saying. So you click cancel. You click close. Then you see this place, you tap on it. Then you click translate to English. We want them to translate this China where they write now. We want them to translate it to English so that we will read it and understand what they are saying about the standard. So now they have translated some of these things to English so that we can understand it. So this place now is, they are showing you the color of sandals that they have. They have it in white. You can see this is the video. If you want to, you can just click and watch the video. They have it in white, they have in black, they have in yellow, they have in gold, they have different color. So now we'll go down. Now the services, they said if you buy this thing from them, that you have 7 days to check if you like it. After 7 days, if you don't like it, you can return it to them. Then we click on it. We click on it. They said, see, late delivery must be compensated. They said if you pay and they do not deliver within the days they told you they will deliver, that they are going to compensate you for late delivery. Now we go back. You go down. What is important is what you look at. These people are the people that bought from them. You see what they are saying. This person said it has always been easy to wear. The buyer is very trustworthy. The price is very affordable. This is from this person. This person, the second person, Villa, said Abivali, the price is reasonable. The style is trendy. The style is very fashionable. You see. So these people now are the people that have bought from them and they are giving their review. Now when you go down, you see their stars 4.5. Me, I usually buy from people that have 5 stars. So this person now have 4.5 stars, like the reviews. Plenty people have reviewed them. So they have 4.5 stars. It's still okay. But make sure you do not buy from any store that don't have up to 4.5 star and above. Any store that don't have up to 4.5 star and above, do not buy from them. Then you go down. These ones now are another kind of slippers and shoes that they also say. This is shoes that they also have in their stores. So now we have checked this thing and we have seen everything that we want to see. You can see this place, they said delivery. It is expected to be shipped tomorrow. They said if you pay today that they're going to ship it tomorrow. Do you understand? And they said late delivery is compensated. That is, if they did not ship it tomorrow, that they're going to compensate you. Do you understand me? So now we have finished sorting it. This is called sorting. We have finished sorting it. Next thing now is to go to Wumata. You open your Wumata, you paste the link. You click on allow paste. It will paste the link. You see, you click open. So this is our link. That link that we copied from 1688. This is it. It has opened in Wumata, and you can see these shoes he said is sold for 4,738 naira. That is, if you are buying one shoe to 19 shoes, they will sell 4,738 naira for you. Then if you are buying from 20 shoes to 49 shoes, they will sell 4,532 naira for you. Then if you are buying 50 shoes and above, they will sell 4,326 naira for you. This shoe now is trending in Nigeria, and they are selling this shoe more than 30,000 now in Nigeria, but it's being sold for 4,738 naira. And that is if you are buying one from China. Now you go down. When you go down, you will see this place. This is for you to choose where they will send your goods to. Then this delivery now, number one, you can collect the goods of multiple order. This number one is if you want to buy in quantity. You want to buy plenty goods from China. You know, you don't have to be shipping it one after the other. You have to bring everything together in the China warehouse. Then you ship it once so that the shipping fee will not be too much. So that one now you click it. Let me show you the warehouse. You can see number one, Trade Fair warehouse. Trade Fair is in Lagos, Abi, Badagry Expressway, Lagos State. That is number one. If you want them to bring it to Trade Fair warehouse, you click that number one. Number two is Kano warehouse. This one is in Kano State. Abi Kano waiting. Number 94 Tafawa Belowe Road off Murtala Mohammed Way, whatever, Kano. So if you want them to send it to Kano, that is if you are in Kano, you can click number two. Then number four is also Lagos. Number 19 Collaboration Abi St. Ajawe off Airport Road. This is where I usually use when I'm in Lagos. This number 4 is where I usually use. This is also in Lagos, but it's Airport Road. Then number 5 is also Lagos. CMS Lagos Island. That is if you do island for Lagos, you select this number 5. This number 5. That is the warehouse. So let's select this number 5 now. If we select number 5 now, this what we'll do is we'll buy clothes. We'll buy everything that we want to buy together. Then they will send it to China warehouse. When we are done, we will now tell them to ship our goods. Okay. So what you will do now is what you click add to cart. Add to cart. When you click add to cart, it will come out. The sandals will come out like this. These are different size. Okay. You can see this place now will be for white. So they have size 24 in white, size 25, size 26, size 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. These are different sizes that they have to size 40, size 41. Then if you want to buy black sandal, you click on black. Then when you click on black, you will now go and select your size. If you are wearing size 38, you will now go and select your size. Let me say I am selecting black now. I will now go to size 38 and click plus. You see, it has added 4,738 naira. Okay. Then let me say I am buying another color. I will now go to gold. Let me say it's cross gold that I want to buy. I will now go to gold. This is gold color. And remember, I'm wearing size 38. Or maybe I want to buy for my friend, and my friend is wearing size 41. I will now go to gold, and I will now click size 41. Okay, so this is how to select all the sizes that you want. After you click add to cart, you click add to cart. Now, if it is only these two sandals that I want to buy, what you do now is what you go to cart. We are still in Wumata when you go to cart. When you go to cart, you click. This is the one we want to select. We are buying sandals. The two sandals. This is the two sandals. We now tick it. Then you click checkout. Then when you click checkout, remember we selected that we want these goods. We want them to put it in China warehouse, so that when we buy everything that we want to buy, everything we want to buy together, they cannot ship it. So it is ticked now. It is ticked. Okay. So what you do is what the amount you are going to pay is 11,500. Okay. For these two sandals, you are going to pay 11,500. Then you tick this place. I have read and confirmed after sale agreement. You tick it. Then you click buy now. You click buy now. Then this is where you are going to put your password, the password of your payment. You put the password of your payment here. If this is your first time of making payments, you will see create payment password. You create your payment password, then you make your payment. So now after you've paid, you know I'm supposed to pay 11,500, but I don't have up to that amount in this app, so I could not pay. So let's say I have paid. Now what you do is you click on account. Then when you click on account, you see this place. This is the place that you see your goods to deliver. You see it in to deliver. So when you click on this to deliver now, you will now tell them to deliver. You will now see your goods there. You will now tick it again and tell them to deliver it. They will ask you, are you sure you want them to ship it now? You click it and tell them ship it. They will ask you, do you want them to ship it now? You say yes. So they will now ship it. It will now be in picking. In picking. From picking, it will enter in transit. You'll be seeing it from here. From in transit, it will enter to pick up. To pick up is when you see it in this pickup, it means it have arrived Nigeria. It is now in China warehouse in Lagos or in Kano, anyone where you select. So when you see it in to pick up, it means it have arrived Nigeria. You will now go to that location, that China warehouse where you choose. You will now go there and pick up your way bill. When you pick it up, it will now come on picked up. It will now show that you have picked up your way bill. So these are the goods that I have bought before. This one, the reason why you are seeing picked up here is because you remember this my yellow sweater now. You remember all these things now. These are the goods that I have bought from them that I have picked up. This is my tablet now. This is my tablet that I bought from them. These are my jeans. All these clothes that I bought from them. These are the clothes here. It is showing here, indicating that this one I have already picked it up. Do you understand me? So you guys know I'm wearing all these things now. So this is how to buy clothes from China. It's very, very simple. Or to buy phone, buy shoes, anything at all you want to buy from China, this is how to buy it. Now that you have finished watching this video, please do well to like, drop your comment in the comment section and share. That share is very, very important. If you don't share my video, I will put down this video. If you don't share, I will put this video down. I cannot teach you this kind of thing that they are charging 300,000, 500,000 to teach people. I will teach you for free and you will not share my video. I will pull them down if you don't share my video. Just share my video. Share my video. You know I've helped you. Help me now. It's time for you to help me. Share my video. I love you guys.